Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect IBKR to TradingView. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to link your Interactive Brokers account so you can place orders directly from TradingView's charts. Keep TradingView open in your browser and have your broker credentials ready, as you may be asked to authorize the connection. Start by going to TradingView.com. If you already have an account, sign in so your settings and broker connections can be saved. If you're not signed in, some trading features may be hidden or prompt you later. At the top of the TradingView homepage, click on Products. This menu is where TradingView groups its key tools. From here, you'll find the charting workspace you'll use for placing trades. Next, click on Supercharts. This opens TradingView's full charting interface. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you can see the main toolbar, your symbol search, and the top right action area. If you prefer, you can open Supercharts in a new tab to keep the homepage handy. Inside Supercharts, look to the top right of the screen and click on Trade. This button opens the trading panel, which is where broker connections live. If you don't see it, expand your browser window or confirm you're logged in. In the panel that appears, click on Show All Brokers. This expands the list beyond any featured or recently used providers, ensuring you can access the full catalog of supported connections. Now look for Interactive Brokers. You can scroll the list or use the search field to filter quickly. Make sure you select the official Interactive Brokers option. If you manage multiple regions or entities, pick the standard Interactive Brokers entry provided by TradingView. Click on Interactive Brokers to open its connection card. Here you can review basic details about the integration. This is also where you'll initiate the secure link between TradingView and your brokerage account. Finally, click on Connect. TradingView will redirect you to the Interactive Brokers login or authorization flow. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate, complete any two-factor verification, and choose the appropriate account, such as live or paper. If you have market data or trading permissions set in your broker profile, those will carry over. If not, you may need to adjust them in your broker account later for full functionality. When the connection succeeds, you'll see Interactive Brokers listed as connected in the trading panel, and you can place, modify, and monitor orders directly from the chart. That's it. You've connected Interactive Brokers to TradingView. If you ever lose the connection, return to the Trade button and reconnect. Happy trading. Happy